What's up, guys? You are welcome to Dynamicom TV, where we publish news on politics, entertainment, celebrities, and metro stories. We have another trading news for you today. And the headline here is Minimum Wage. Finally, federal government stroke labor reach agreement. Alright, guys, as you know, throughout this week, we have been on the news concerning the federal government and labor over the minimum wage negotiation and agreement, meeting upon meeting. Finally, today came the day of the last agreement between the federal government agency and the NLC Organization Council. Alright, guys, please, before I go ahead to read today's news to you, if this is your first time you are watching on our channel, please, there is a red subscribe button below this video. Just go ahead, hit that red subscribe button and then click on the bell icon beside it, so as to be the first to be notified whenever we publish news in the future without missing any news again. Now the news in detail. After a reconvened meeting that lasted 3 consecutive days, the federal government and the labor unions in the early hours of Friday today reached an agreement on the consequential adjustment of 30,000 naira minimum wage for Nigerian workers. The Minister of Labour and Employment, Senator Chris Ngige, who read a communique signed by the shareholders at the end of the meeting at about 3 a.m. on Friday, said that by the agreement reached, the Group 1, that is called civil servant level, grade level 7, have a consequential adjustment of 23.2% of their salary, while grade level 8 has 20% of their salary, and grade level 9 to has 90% of their salary. Grade level 10 to 14 has 16% of their salary, and grade level 15 to 17 have increase of 14% respectively. For the second group and other, level 7 have an increase of 23.2%. Level 8 to 14 shall earlier 16%, and 15 to 17 have an increase of 10.5% respectively. The minister noted that enforcement of payment of the minimum wage signed into law on April 18, 2019 by President Muhammadu Buhari will be done immediately, and tasked all shareholders to comply with the new minimum wage. The Federal Ministry of Labour and Employment, through our inspectors in the field, the National Salaries and Income and Wages Commission, will have the right to help in the enforcement. The labor unions themselves can approach the National Industrial Court on the matter. So we expect every employer of labor to start payment immediately, Ngige has said. Also speaking to reporters after signing the agreement, according to head of service of the Federation, Ms. Falashade Yemi, expressed satisfaction with the agreement. She said it was a collective decision. We had a conducive environment and arrive at the agreement. I think it is good agreement. I think it is good that government and labor can actually sit together in a constructive manner and negotiate in a good manner also. The implementation will start immediately. We will definitely work the areas out, but that is not something that we can tell for now. The important thing is that we have an agreement and we start the payment as soon as we can work out the proper sum immediately, she said. President of the Nigerian Labour Congress, Ayuba Uba, said it was a decision reached after a collective bargaining. He added that both parties committed to the implementation without further delay. He noted that guidelines will also be transmitted to all the state councils of the NLC to work in harmony with the national body for the implementation of the negotiation agreement. The Trade Union Congress, TUC, had through its president Olayele and General Secretary Musa Lawal has expressed satisfaction at the conclusion of the agreement. The TUC leader, in an earlier statement, commended the federal government and organized labor for their patience while the national minimum wage negotiation lasted. They expressed that although it was a rough road, but they are happy that an agreement has finally been signed. They said it was not an easy journey, but that is over, adding that government team should be appreciated for their wisdom and sincerity over the matter and in the negotiation ground. We commended the head of service of the Federation, Dr. Folashade Yemi Esen, and her team for their sincerity in the negotiation term. Though they argued that government cannot afford to meet our earlier demand of 30 naira minimum wage across board because of the economic situation in the country, we made them understand that some people cannot be more Nigerian than others. If we are tightening our belt in work, government should also do so in their payment, he said. The TUC leader said that as an organization and a major shareholder in the Nigerian project, they believe that the parties have done their own side they have done their own side and well. We shifted ground, and that is why we were able to resolve things without major injuries. It is a win-win situation, the leader said. The TUC boss said he is particularly happy with the agreement because it has addressed some salary discrepancies and overlapping that the workers have agitated so much about before now. This is a unique agreement and we promise to build on that by God's grace, he added. Others at the negotiation include Minister of State for Labor and Employment, Mr. Festus Kayamo, Acting Chairman of the National Salaries and Income and Wages Commission, Etiekpo Nata, General Secretary of NLC, Mr. Emmanuel, Acting Chairman of Joint Public Service and Negotiation Council, Trade Union side, Samuel Anyecheva, members of the National Assembly Service Commission, members of the National Judiciary Service Commission, representative of Accountant General of the Federation, among others were present in the agreement signed. Alright guys, this is what has been going on between the federal government and the NLC within the week after the NLC has threatened the federal government for a national breakdown of work, which is called strike. The NLC has, within the weekend, threatened the federal government if the agreement is not negotiated and reached to their own demand, there will be a national strike within the NLC. Now it is in your own opinion. Many are saying that yes, the agreement has been reached and signed. What remains is the implementation of the law by making the payment as soon as possible according to promise. Alright guys, it is in your own view to make your comment. Drop your comment as you go through this news. Therefore, do not forget to hit on the red subscribe button and then click on the bell icon beside it so as to be the first to be notified whenever we bring you news in this channel, Dynamicom TV, without missing any news again. Thank you and welcome.